Welcome back to example 2 of lesson 1.3, solving with variables on both sides. This time, when we're solving, you can see that there's more to do than just start adding and subtracting. What we do need to do this time is to simplify each side, the first part of which would be to use the distributive property here. So, when we look at the left side here, since 3 is in front, we have to multiply 3 times 3x and 3 times minus 4. So it'll give us 9x minus 12. Over on the other side, we're going to have to multiply 1/4 times 32x and 1/4 times 56. Keep in mind that multiplying by 1/4 is the same as just taking 1/4 of the number. So all we need to do is divide those by 4. What that gives us is first we rewrite the equation. What that gives us is 9x minus 12 equals 8x plus 14. At this point, I would draw a line down the equal sign, indicating that now we are going to solve. See, up here, we were simplifying the left side, right over here, doing something with that, and we were simplifying the right side, but we weren't going back and forth because adding like terms isn't changing what we have here, or multiplying using the distributive property. It's just rearranging it so it's in a form that makes it easier to solve. So now we are going to add 12 to both sides. You can see that we decided to add 12 to both sides because we could either get rid of the variable on one of the sides or get rid of the number since they're both on both sides. So we decided to add 12. When we do that, 9x is the only thing left on the left side. On the right side, we have 8x plus 26. So now at this point, we have the x's that are on opposite sides, so I'm going to have to get rid of one of them. Of course, it wouldn't make any sense to subtract 9x from both sides because then I wouldn't have anything over here. So we take the variables that are with the constant here, the 8x, and we subtract that from both sides. Then we're left with, in this case, just 1x, so we don't even need to divide. 1x equals 26. So the solution is 26. So that is your second example on how to solve when there are variables on both sides. Please notice that many of the steps do not have to be written down, as I mentioned, but they are in your workbook in this lesson 1.3, and we'll talk about that in class. Please remember to go to the Google Classroom and click Turn In once you've completed these notes. Thank you.